Hey traders, welcome to the full market analysis for the 19th of December, heading into Christmas quite quickly now, aren't we? The volumes will be dropping off earlier next week, and we'll probably take next week off. We're definitely going to take Christmas Day, of course, off, Boxing Day, and probably start again in the new year. But let's play it by ear. I think Monday is a normal working day, so we may find that we're holding in positions into Monday if things are ready. So congratulations on the move on gold today. Fantastic move. So just highlight the impact of the gold on steroid system that we use and how profitable it is. I don't know who's counting pips, but it's amazing. I just count the money. But have a look at this here on the 30-minute chart. This is what's happening this morning. The price was going up, albeit very slowly, and it broke down in the New York session or early New York session. So once we get the breakdown there, we get the sell signal here. We get all the sellers in here, and the price goes down. All red, sell. You can have the 5-minute chart next to it as well, which is a good idea using the gold on steroid system. And you've got 180 pips so far, heading for target down here. So when 25.90, let's say, round numbers are always better, aren't they? 25.90 is a nice round number, and it's highly likely it's going to be hit in the next few minutes. So I'll let you know when it does. Let's have a look at the rest of the markets. Just before I do that, I just wanted to update you. For those who want to be more active in the market, I've done this many times before, thousands of times over the last few years for VIP members. But it's a great way to get into the market. If you've got time and you want to get into the 1-minute chart, then of course you can get many opportunities. So red background is a sell. Just wait for the price to move back up into overbought conditions here. So you can have a sell there, 2 to 1. You could have a sell there, 2 to 1, 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 sell there, 2 to 1. So, of course, eventually one's not going to work, is it? Because the price is probably going to bounce. But how many trades could you have had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's plenty of opportunities throughout the day. So a very warm welcome to the full market analysis, daily video analysis, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. It's an analysis of all the markets. So the dollar is completely sideways today, not doing anything, but looks like we've got a fresh buy signal, and highly likely the dollar is going to start moving back up again. It's into a parabolic trend, which is indicating that stronger dollar is very likely. So we are expecting, not confirmed yet, of course, because we've got all the buyers in actually. We're just waiting for the buy signal on here. Once everything's lined up, then the dollar is going to go strong. We are waiting for a couple of trades to go live, so look out for that in the next hour or so, and I'll confirm that into the VIP room. And the yen futures went down today. Did you see that? And all the yens went up. So we'll have a look at those in the next few minutes. So once you see that the yen futures is going down into a parabolic trend, which it is now, then of course that indicates further upward moves are likely on the yen's pairs, weaker yen. Swiss franc futures looking pretty mixed actually. The Swiss franc is not really doing much. Looks like we could have a sell-off in the next few hours. So that indicates possible buyers coming onto the Swiss franc pairs. But as you can see, this is consolidating. Green background, red background indicates consolidation. So we have to wait and see on this one. The Nasdaq is no longer parabolic, as we can see here. All falling down. It's reached its record highs. Doesn't like it up there. Gold we spoke about earlier today, heading for 25.90 in the next few hours. Euro dollar is one to watch. If the dollar goes higher, euro dollar goes down. That's the correlation. And as we can see, we've got quite a few lining up really nicely. Now this is in consolidation, so this is not one of those pairs. I don't know what actually happened to interest rates today. I haven't spotted that, but there was an interest rate decision in the UK today, so it doesn't look like there's been much impact in any case. Aussie USD, I have my eye on this one. This is one of my hot moves, which we hit our target from a couple of weeks ago, didn't we? Congratulations, VIP members, if you got that. A fantastic move. And similar situation here as well, isn't it? So we can see that the gold on steroid system is showing buying here, which is just going into consolidation before the next move down if the dollar is going to go longer. Conversely, we have a long position losing money on the US Canadian, but this is, in my view, just simply a correction. So we'll see how this plays out in the next few hours. Kiwi is the same as the Aussie USD, simply waiting for that sell signal. We may get a sell signal on the Kiwi earlier than the Aussie, and then we'll choose which one we're going to trade in the next few hours if it does come in today. US Swiss, stronger dollar. So we have all the buyers in. This is parabolic from the daily up to down to the 30-minute, not quite parabolic, but it won't take much, as you can see. Consolidating, but we have a really fresh buy signal, level 2 signal. Look out for the level 2 signals. Level 3 signals, do not ignore those because they are the big moves. Level 3 signals on your charts is where all the money is. If you haven't got the level 3 signals, you need to sort yourself out. So here we go with the US Canadian. Again, very similar situation. I was waiting for this to buy and go parabolic again. Probably will in the next few hours. US yen, let's have a look at that. So weaker yen futures, as we saw earlier, indicates a buy signal on this is from Wednesday actually. So the Wednesday signal there, if you've got that on your chart, congratulations, would have been a lovely move there if you got that. If you're in the VIP room with the charts, if you've got the charts, you have no excuses. Let's go down to the parabolic trend. So the pound Canadian is parabolic to the upside, now moving down, so we're not trading that. You can easily see that when you want to trade it, level 3 signals, and then when you don't want to trade it. Euro New Zealand getting ready for another move up by the look of it. Consolidating at the moment. One of the beauties of what we do here at the Trading Mentors is have systems that tell us don't get in. So we just sit on our hands, keep our money in the bank, because by doing that you're not over trading and you're not getting into trades that are not ready according to our rules. Pound New Zealand, similar situation. Congratulations on that move there, 239 pips. Very nice indeed. Could have had more if you got in earlier on this buy signal here. Level 3 signals are the best in the world. Pound Swiss, now I did mention there the Swiss franc futures looks like it wants to go weak. So this indicates that a possible move higher is going to be happening on the Pound Swiss, Euro Swiss and so on. So have a look at those and choose your favourite. This is consolidating at the moment, but it won't take much to actually break out. Just wait for everything to go green and it would be a nice buy. Let's go through the yens. They're all going up. Maybe there was some news out of Japan, I'm not sure. Again, going back to Wednesday, there was a big fat buy signal here. Everything aligned up. So if you got the charts, there was the move there. Overnight, 3 a.m. Euro yen, similar situation. You don't want to be in it now, of course, because it's not all lined up. It doesn't make any sense. If it lines up, I'll let you know. This is the New Zealand yen. Starting to break, but not ready yet. Level 2 signal could turn into a level 3, so we'll keep an eye on that one. Golden cross, which is a strong indicator the price is going to go up. So I'll put a marker on that one. So the rules are everything green, level 3, then we are going to go long. Pound yen, nice pullback actually on this one. Did shoot up this morning and buy signal there at 3 o'clock in the morning again. So there must have been some news, I think. And so we are waiting for confirmation for another breakout in the next few hours. So look out for that. Bitcoin 102 currently, 102 grand going to 260 grand next year. I'm not going to predict what month. I've done that this year. I did say in January it would go to 100 grand by June, but it didn't do that. It took, well, November, I think it hit 100 grand, or December. But as we can see here, Bitcoin is now very mixed indeed. We want to see this going on. We want to see everything green before we go along. That's it. I think that volumes may drop in the next few days into Monday. We're going to treat Monday as a normal trading day, even though Mondays are pretty quiet anyway, aren't they? But I think going into Christmas Eve, New Year's Day, Boxing Day, there's going to be nothing going on. So if we get into some trades today, later today, then we'll hold them through to Monday and see how they go.